Hey everyone, I'm Telomina, you can call me Mina. So today I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips for using Lurkit. So when you are new to Lurkit, it might feel a bit intimidating. Well, all the companies having different requirements both for Twitch and for YouTube. So tip number 1, don't be afraid to apply for games. Different companies will have different requirements and they don't tell you that always what extra requirements they have. So just shoot your shot, try to get the game, and if you don't get it, maybe you will get the next one. My tip 2 is when you apply for a game, you have a time limit in which to complete it. Normally it's about 30 days. So tip number 2 is make sure you have time. I usually before I accept a key, I look at my schedule 1 month forward and see if I have time in my schedule, and then I will slot it into one of my free stream days. If you don't have time, maybe you should wait a bit longer before you accept a key. My third tip is make it fun. Unless, or maybe even then, if you have it as a full-time job, try to make it fun. For me, because I have limited energy, I don't go to parties. So what I do instead, I make special streams sometimes where I dress a bit nicer, feel a bit party mode, maybe play with my community. And of course you can still use this while using Lurkit. Especially if there's a bigger release, it's really fun to make it like a fun event. Maybe you will even get giveaway keys to use for your community. And there might be missions too. Don't forget to check out the missions. So my top 3 tips summarized is number 1, shoot your shot. Don't be afraid to try. 2, make sure you can make the time for creating the content that you have promised, kinda. And number 3, have fun. Maybe try and make some special events. That was all for today. Thank you. Don't forget to stop by sometime and take care and bye bye.